Forex is the global market that allows for the exchange of one currency for another. The foreign exchange market, which is usually known as Forex or FX, is the largest financial market in the world. The foreign exchange market is enormous with its $5 trillion a day trade volume. There are many benefits and advantages of trading Forex. Firstly, there are no commissions. There are no clearing fees, no exchange fees, or brokerage fees. Most Forex brokers are paid for their services through something we call spread. The Forex market is open 24 hours a day, from Sunday night all the way through till Friday evening. This allows investors from around the world to trade during normal business hours, after work, or even in the middle of the night. This offers great flexibility for those who want to trade on a part-time basis. The foreign exchange market is so huge and has so many participants that no single entity, not even a central bank, can control the market price for an extended period of time. We can also benefit from leverage. In Forex trading, a small deposit can control a much larger total contract value. Leverage gives the trader the ability to make nice profits and at the same time keep risk capital to a minimum. We will explain this in further detail shortly. Because the Forex market is so enormous, it is also extremely liquid. This is an advantage because it means that under normal market conditions, you are able to instantaneously buy and sell, as there will usually be someone in the market willing to take the other side of your trade. This means you are never stuck in a trade. You can even set your online trading platform to automatically close your position once your chosen profit level has been reached, or even close a trade if a trade is going against you. We call this a stop loss order.